Hey guys, welcome back to the Al Pod. We're here with Al, and it's another glorious day over here in where are we at? Metro Detroit?
LA.
LA.
I was thinking we might want to change the name to Liquor Store Al and like Russian Bot Al.
Nobody's gonna get that though, man. They don't know like Chaldeans or
People
liquor store.
People don't know that?
Not out of Metro Detroit, they don't know that. Yeah, they don't know that, man. They don't even know what Chaldean
So
is.
in different states, you're telling me if I go to Kentucky, the liquor store owners are not Chaldean?
Bro, growing up here, no. That's a Michigan thing. That's a Metro Detroit thing. Even like maybe like San Diego, Phoenix, Chicago, but like over here.
Really?
Yeah. There's not.
So who owns it? Who's the stereotype in other states, you think?
Probably like Indian people or different type of Middle Eastern people. It's funny when I go into different gas stations or different liquor stores and they're white owned. I walk in kind of smug, like, look at you guys.
You guys sure you know what you're doing in here?
Yeah.
These prices are way too high.
Yeah. It's like
no shish kebab?
Exactly, man. How's business, Al? How's
business Business is like very weird, man. It's so hot and cold. Like we either like our business now, instead of it just being like consistent, it's like very high highs and like questioning everything lows. Like
really
crazy busy and then a quiet day, crazy busy. So it's like if you zoom out, like look at it for a week or a month, it's good. Yeah. But like sometimes there's some long days, man.
So you just got to take the average and figure out what you're making.
Exactly.
Sounds like the crypto market.
It does, dude. Have you seen? Yeah, the GME went crazy, man.
Yeah. I
was driving to a buddy's of mine and dropping off a couple keys and
kind of keys, brother.
And, dude, my man pulled up on me out his window screaming at me, like showing me his way. Did you see this, dude? And I mean, to have this type of excitement, like I don't know, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And he's like, it was GME, and it was up to $35, which I think is 160%. Which, to be honest, in the crypto net, it's not like crazy.
No, but in the stock world,
it's
unheard of.
Obnoxious. They paused the trading again.
35 times.
They did?
Yeah, between AMC and GME, they paused it 35 times. That's how much they're trying to manipulate
Let's
people
see the price
from making
right now.
Profits.
You want to do the double screen?
Yeah, what's the high that it got
to? I think $76 the next day, and now it's back down to 30. I own nothing of it.
$76, huh?
But if you remember back in 2020, 2021 at the bull run, dude, it was $350. You know, GME hit $350.
That was in the middle of the bull run, right?
That was kind of the craze.
I feel like GME was the catalyst for the crypto bull run.
I agree.
You know, it's funny. All these hedge funds are taking massive losses, like billions of. I think the losses were upwards over $5 billion because they had so many short positions on this thing. Like they didn't learn their lesson last time, and now they're getting freaking. People are buying it up, and the price is increasing, so they owe so much money.
That's what they say makes the price go up is that they're forced to buy in, so they don't lose that short. So they just have to keep buying it because they have so many shorts.
Yeah.
And my buddy, who's deep in it, was saying that banks will close, we will suffer as America for it, but like, he believes that this is like, I don't know, man. It seems like it's only $21 now. Wow.
That's a big drop, man. Wasn't it $50, $60?
Dude, I think it was $70.
It was $70. It's 21. So they probably covered their short positions by now, right?
Well, it was at $10. So think about it. It's still up 100%. Like a week ago, it was at $10.
Yeah, it doubled in price. But I feel like the same thing happened during COVID. Like everybody went crazy for GME and AMC and all these stocks, all these companies that are like
Dogecoin.
They're not reliable companies.
GME is GameStop is like investing in Blockbuster. Dude.
Yeah,
they literally are going out of business.
Everything is digital. Yeah. So how are you guys like that comfortable putting your money? It's a resistance against corporate America.
Thing, yeah.
It's a resistance thing, and you could tell Wall Street and the government are intertwined because who's stepping in to do these trading halts? Yeah. It's the government. So see
who blocked it, or just look how did Robinhood cancel? Because I don't think Robinhood canceled trading actually. Because I went on there to buy a couple times just to see if I could, and it said some brokers halted trading. Shares pulled back from Roaring Kitty Rally. And all this that dude did is get back on Twitter. Did he even say anything?
Bro, he posts. You know what he did? He for the price to rise this much, this guy literally posted. He hasn't posted in 3 years. The last thing he posted was all these little kittens going to sleep, basically saying, "Bye, guys. I'm out for now." And then magically, 3 years later, in tandem with the crypto halving, he posts up a picture of a guy leaning back with a controller, and then the next picture was him leaning into the screen. And everybody's like, "Oh, he's game on. He's focused. He's ready to go ham." And the price did go ham. Even Andrew Tate was like, "We're gonna stick it to these elites. I'm gonna buy so much GME. I'm never gonna sell it." I do not trust Andrew Tate the slightest, dude. His whole empire is built off of scamming.
Yeah, I think GME goes. I think it pumps again 50, 60, 70. But I think they don't. I don't think you can rob the casino twice, dude. I think this thing gets tanked. And it's just because they will break the rules. They stop trading of it, man. So I don't think you could do it twice. I'm on GME team because I think it's great for like the little guys.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, they'll just bail out these big guys, and that's what sucks. Like part of capitalism is the freedom to fail. They bail out people if you're big enough constantly, dude.
Yep. You know what my theory is about?
Look at this guy. He looks crazy. I know him, but
yeah, that's David Portnoy.
He looks like he
is crazy.
I mean, he looks like a frickin'.
He's Jewish. Hey, but they're all Jewish, man. All the like rich people are Jewish, popular people. But anyway, my theory is somebody needs to get bailed out, right? Somebody took billions of dollars in losses, unless I don't think
they should get bailed out.
No, they shouldn't. But you know how they bail them out is they're probably going to increase capital gains taxes on.
That's an excellent point. Al.
They're going to be like, you know what? Let's pump it to 40%. You guys kind of messed up these hedge funds.
You are right, because if I punk GME, if I punk crypto, now I'm going to pay 40% capital gains tax, which go to them. So that's a great chess game for them.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to screw us with capital gains?
Bro, they have when you're the house and you have unlimited money, you pretty much make the rules, bro.
You do.
It's like us going into a casino and everybody like betting on black on the roulette table.
Casinos are just, like they can kick you out for winning, dude.
Yeah.
Like Dana White, like you're winning too much. Go home, dude.
Isn't that weird? It shows you casinos are, they're rigged. I've gotten
kicked out a couple times.
Yeah, me too.
Drinking too much.
Racial slurs, yeah. So this is what, what's his name posted. After 3-4 years, this is what he posted, and this is what made the price surge.
Wow.
Like, man. You guys are putting all your chips in this basket. And I get it. It's a noble cause. You're overthrowing the elites who have been screwing people over for how many generations?
But they're never going to stop bailing them out. It's a waste. I mean, I hope you're right. I mean, but the thing I feel bad for is the people who own, if you go on Reddit, supposedly, this is what people tell me that buy it, there's people with millions and tens of millions of dollars of GME. Those people will sell. And the little guy that has a couple thousand, now it's 10,000, he will hold it. And forget that those people up there, everyone has a price. You should have a price, dude. If you double, triple, quadruple, 10x your money, you should be pulling some profits. You
should be pulling. And I'm sure people look, I put in $3,000 at like
you're in it,
60, $70. Yeah, I got like 60 shares. I put in $3,000.
You bought it at 60 or 70 bucks?
Yeah. And I've held $2,000 losses in GME for like 3 years. And finally, I opened it up, the app, and it says plus $15. I'm like, should I take this freaking thing out? Should I take that? I'm in the green. I'm in the green.
The 0.5%.
Take my $15. I just want my $3,000 back at this point.
Yeah. But
I think it's gonna pump harder.
I do. Do you have any sell points? Because I'm a firm believer. If you don't have written down sell points, you just miss the bag, dude.
$110 is my sell point on GME.
And you're gonna sell it all?
And I'm gonna sell it all, and I'm gonna sail into the sunset.
I mean, hey, you made $6,000. Take it.
I swear.
No, I mean, if you, I would really stick to that though, Al.
Yeah, no, I am. Yeah. I'm not going to hold this thing long term. There's people
pull $2,000 out and leave one in.
There's people that believe GME is going to be a multi-million-dollar per stock.
Dude, Nick told me that if it hits $10,000, he wouldn't consider selling one.
That shows you its potential, but that also shows you like. I mean, the mind frame of these holders.
And that's the thing I feel bad for is I don't think everyone in it has that mindset. There's nobody that's that selfless. Those people with tens of millions, 100 million. I mean, I hope they're that transparent, but I mean, at the end of the day, that's life-changing money. GME hit $1,000. It's life-changing money.
Yeah, the America would probably change. Like people would like start buying more cars, buying more homes, buying more.
But is there that many people in it that aren't like? There's no middle-aged dudes that are in this thing. Like it's the young bucks. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So like
It's the
they'll spend
millennials.
money. Yeah, they might open a bit. Maybe.
Are you a millennial?
I don't know. I think no. I think
We're
yeah.
10 minutes in. Yeah.
I think I'm a millennial, dude.